This is Caravan Salon 2020. This is a campervan converter from northern Germany called Nordvan. Here we have Nordvan HS Comfort all-in on a Volkswagen T 6.1 four-wheel drive, and well, it's got a nice colour. That's the first thing I'll say for it. It has got this big thing on the roof which converts to a bed. Now, I did live in a van. It wasn't a Volkswagen. It was a similar size, in fact. Mine had the bed at the other end down here. Not that I ever used it to sleep in, but the bed was there. Now, one very nice feature that we've got of this is this amazing panoramic roof up there. Now, this will mean, of course, there's less room on the roof for solar panels, but there's a bit of space there at the back, so you should be able to manage. Quite like that light. Not quite. I like that light a lot. Okay, kitchen. Can't really expect much more in a vehicle of this size. 2 burners, small sink. Got space down there, I suppose, for the toilet. Vitry Frigo, 2-way fridge, electric fridge. I wonder what's in here. Ooh, nothing. It doesn't open. Alright, so, because there's no room behind it. I'll show you the fridge. Not that there's anything unusual about the fridge. Right, as with all VWs like this one will turn around, but that one won't. Let's go to the back. Let's look at the back. Three seats, chairs come forward, and you can sleep down there, where I always used to sleep when I lived in one of their camper vans. Not one of their camper, a VW camper van. My camper van was from 1992, so that was now 28 years ago. Plus, well, it was made in 1992. So, see from the back. So the number one thing about this is that panoramic roof. That is outstanding. Got an awning as well. This will cost €90,000. And I think, oh, it's a fair whack of cash for a van. Okay, let's have a look at this other one here. Also off-road. Tent in the roof, which I don't think is as good as having the high roof. Well, it must have a pretty strong battery power in here. And this one here, 59,000. Tent in the roof. Okay, I've got a bag on my back, so I won't go into the vehicle. And I understand why they don't want people in. What I really appreciate about this is that table. That's enormous. That's great. Superb. And I'll now come out the back. Water from a container from Reisemobil. So I'll walk around the outside. I didn't get you a price on this thing here, which is 67, but it's got quite a high spec.
ist auch eine Preisliste drin, da kann man sich selber ankreuzen. Hier. Da könnt ihr sich selber ankreuzen.
So, I hope you found that sort of interest. I mean, I didn't know much about the van, to be quite honest, to say much about it. And you think like 90,000 for a VW campervan conversion is a lot of money, but some of these features are extremely expensive, such as the 4x4 and a roof on the top. So even the colour won't come cheap. Oh well, thanks for watching, and all the best from Düsseldorf.